Okay, so this is my day 5 of Adi Maxing challenge, and the first thing I always do is towel method, and I will repeat this again and again. If you are doing the same as me, then you should bite as hard as you can. Don't just hold it up with your teeth, bite it, chew it, make your jaw muscles even more pop out, or you can say even more clench it. This is my second set. I will only recommend you to hold, or you can say chew it hard only for 15 seconds, or hold it hard as you can with your jaw, just for 15 seconds only. No need to push it hard like 20 seconds or above 20 seconds, just 15 seconds and it's all done. This is my third set, and I can really recommend you to do this towel method if you don't have any visible jaw or you don't have any visible jaw muscle. It really is effective for your master muscle or temporals. I will recommend this to all. It really is effective for the jaw muscle, but I would recommend you to do a little bit of massage after your towel method or just after every facial exercise. Now this is my way of doing thumb pulling. I will highly recommend you to do like this. If you are comfortable with doing with the wall, then just go ahead and do like all people do. But if you feel a little bit of uneasiness or uncomfortable with the wall, like when you push your head to the wall and it just feel really uncomfortable, then do it like me, just lay it down, and with same thing, push chin downwards and push your upper palate with your thumbs. No need to feel uneasiness doing thumb pulling through a wall. Just lay down like me, push your chin towards your neck and push your upper palate with using your thumbs as much hard as you can. I will also recommend it to doing it for like 12 to 15 seconds, and if you are doing over 15 seconds, then it's either you are lying or you are just overdoing it. No one can do, or I can say no one can put pressure over 15 seconds to upper palate using your thumbs only. It really feels painful for the thumbs. As this is my last set of thumb pulling, I would recommend you to do just 3 sets if you are beginner, and even if you are doing it for a long time, just 3 sets are enough. But do it for 12 to 15 seconds, that would be enough. As I am laying down, so I will just do neck curls after thumb pulling. It will just loose up my neck and just relieve the tension from my neck area and my jaw area, and it really feels good after thumb pulling. Just a reminder, keep your tongue stick to your upper palate, or just use a little bit of force from your tongue to feel your upper palate pushing up. This is my second set of doing neck curls. Just go easy on yourself and don't mind the hunch that I created over my waist. Just leave it there. Okay, so after doing neck curls, I just begin my facial massage. I am not doing bone smashing because it really feels a little bit of painful, and I don't think my microfractures on my cheekbones and jaws are fully recovered. So I would just do like 2 days I will do bone smashing, then 1 day rest, 2 days bone smashing, then again I will repeat the cycle up until 30 days. I don't think you should be also doing this regularly, or it will just mess up your face. But doing facial massage is really good. I will recommend you to do it regularly, or I can say do it regularly for your lymphatic drainage. And by all this, it's all done.